It's a very short ceremony. I will request that all of us remain seated as only our principals, one after another, will come forward, light a candle, and lay a flower and sit. Then we will now go to hear from our leaders. With your permission, Your Excellencies, allow me now to call upon our ushers as I call upon Your Excellency, the 4th President of the Republic of Kenya, Honorable Uhuru Kenyatta, to just come up. There is a lighter to light a candle. You begin with the lighter, Marcel, yes. Thank you, Your Excellency. May I call upon Your Excellency Prime Minister Engineer Dr. Raila Amolo Odinga. Thank you, Your Excellency. May I now call upon Senior Counsel Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. Welcome, Your Excellency. Thank you, Your Excellency. Allow me now to invite DAP Party Leader, Honorable Eugene Wamalwa.
Dhambi zangu zote wala si nusu, zimewekwa msalabani, wala sichukui.
Thank you, Honorable Eugene. Allow me now to invite Jubilee Secretary General, Honorable Jeremiah Kioni.
Salama, salama, Roni, ni salama, Roni, Roni, salama, salama.
Thank you, Mheshimiwa. Allow me to invite Usawa Party Leader, Honorable Mwangi Wairia.
Ingawa shetani ananitesa, nitajipa moyo, kwani Kristo ameona unyonge wangu mwanadamu.
Allow me now to invite Honorable Wycliffe Ambessa Oparanya.
Salama, salama, Roni, ni salama, Roni, oh, salama, salama, Roni, ni salama, Roni.
Your Excellencies, allow me to invite on behalf of COOP, Honorable Paul Singh.
Nionapo amani kama shwari, amani onapo shida, kwa mambo yote umejulisha, ni salama rohoni, sema salama, salama.
Thank you, worship team. We can sing the last chorus together.
Salama rohoni, tunasema salama, salama rohoni, ni salama rohoni mwangu.
Asante.